Hello dear student, welcome back. You are here again with me with new video, and today we are going to talk about, yes, couple of seconds before you saw some picture and you watched some picture associated with those who are physically impaired, physically deformed. What kind of deformity and impairment are these? See, there are different kind of people in the world, and you must have seen many people around you who are not good to look, to see. देखने में अच्छे नहीं होते because they don't have limbs. हो सकता है they don't have limbs, या मीन्स बाजू नहीं है, या फिर हाथ ही नहीं है, या फिर खाली उंगलियां नहीं है उनके पास, या अंगूठे नहीं है. Like, and there may be the people जिनके पाँव नहीं है या फिर legs नहीं है. Right, and there are people who has a burnt face, जला हुआ चेहरा है. There's the peoples and who have no eyes at all, या कान नहीं है, या फिर टूटे फूटे दांत है, या फिर other persons who can't speak. Not only that, but also there may be some other kind of deformity. The people consider so. कुछ लोग ऐसा मानते हैं कि अगर मेरे बाल होते तो मैं ऐसा करता. Because I don't have that thing, so I can't do this. इसलिए मैं ये नहीं कर सकता हूँ, मैं कर सकती हूँ. Right? मेरे पास बाजू नहीं है तो इसलिए मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, पाँव नहीं है तो ये नहीं है, अच्छा चेहरा नहीं है तो वो नहीं मैं कर सकता. Let me tell you, dear student, physical deformity and physical impairment is not the obstacle to go ahead in your life. That's all that depend on our mind. हमारे दिमाग पे डिपेंड करता है. If you are determined to do something in your life so you can make big difference, you can go ahead in your life. Right? So dear student, today we are going to talk about On the Face of It, written by Susan Hill. This is the 5th lesson of your book, and here in this lesson we will try to know about the two persons, Mr. Derry and an old man, Mr. Lamb. Who is Derry? Yeah, Derry, a boy of 14. This small boy, छोटा सा बच्चा है, 14 साल की उम्र का. What is special about him? Yeah, something special about him is burnt face. How? See, he has lost that, one side of his face has burnt because of the acid in his childhood. Okay, irritated by the people, and because of this face, he wanted to stay away from the people. He don't want to go close to the people because he think that they are different. I am different. Right? That kind of attitude he has, अपने दिमाग में बना लिया था कि ये लोग अलग है, मैं अलग हूं. Of course, you can be different from the others if you think. अगर आप ऐसा सोचते हो just because of the one face, सिर्फ इसलिए कि आपका जला हुआ चेहरा है, you think that they are different. Actually, no one is different in this world. All depend upon your mind and what kind of attitude you have towards the world. Right? Irritated by the peoples, of course. If you have something different, the people will stare at you, but it doesn't mean that they are making fun of you. They are laughing at you. But he always thought so. हमेशा वो ऐसा सोचा करता था. That's why he think different from himself. किससे? दूसरों से ना. अपने आप को अलग समझता है उनसे. Because he has an attitude that उस तरह का attitude तैयार कर लिया कि भी जले हुए चेहरे वाले जो होते हैं ना, उनको उनके साथ ही रहना चाहिए. जिनकी टांगे नहीं हो, बिना टांगे वालों के साथ रहना चाहिए. जिनके बाजुएं नहीं है तो बिना बाजू वाले लोगों के साथ रहना चाहिए. जिनकी आंखें नहीं है वो बिना आंख वाले लोगों के बीच रहना चाहिए. थिंक अबाउट द वर्ल्ड, कि अगर इस तरह का संसार होगा, इस तरह के लोग इकट्ठे होंगे, तो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डिफरेंस दे कैन मेड एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एटीट्यूड दे हैव टुवर्ड द लाइफ. किस तरह का उनका एटीट्यूड है फिर? नो, नथिंग इज लाइक दैट. यू हैव टू चेंज योरसेल्फ. दैट ऑल डिपेंड अपॉन योर माइंड. If you think bad about the world, you will see the world bad. If you think good about the world, ये दुनिया फिर अच्छी. Everything is good. Okay, entering the lamb's garden. This is very important here. Lamb is the owner of the garden, and here Derry get into his garden through the wall. Although the gate of that garden is open to all, anyone can come and go freely, because Lamb always said that जो कुछ भी यहाँ पे है वो सभी का ही है, जो मेरा है वो आपका भी है या सबका भी है. Right? That kind of attitude he had. उसका attitude कुछ इस तरह का था. But here Derry is a bit different. But what happened next? Long conversation with Lamb. See, when he was trying to enter through the wall, here Lamb said that mind the crab apples because you can trip over it. As he heard the voice of the lamb, he was astonished, amazed to hear that. उसकी आवाज सुन के वो चकरा जाता है, मान लो हैरान हो जाता है. उसको लगता है कि मुझे तो किसी ने देख लिया, right? Here daddy said that, oh, you were staring me, you were, noticing me while I was coming in. मुझे देख रहा था जब मैं अंदर आ रहा था. Yeah, he said that, of course I was. देखो gate is open and आप you could come through the gate, but you couldn't. You are the only one who came through the wall, right? ओहो, मुझे पता होता तो मैं अंदर ही नहीं आता. So after that they had a long conversation about different things and the first चीज तो यही होगी कि भाई देखिए बच के आइए, आप फिसल जाओगे, गिर जाओगे, लंबी घास भी है और सड़े हुए एप्पल है नीचे, so you can trip over it. And after that they got to know something about each other. They said that first of all they introduced themselves that I'm a lamb and I'm a dairy, and because daddy has a negative attitude toward the world and toward the people, right? Here lamb got and gets knew something about that person, because the lamb is the person who always want to learn and want to कुछ नई चीज वो सीखना चाहता है from the people. He love to talk with other persons, he love to get something new from the people, and he has and have many friends. But here daddy said that I'm not your friend. If you think that I'm your friend, so here let's say that if we अगर आप मेरे फ्रेंड नहीं हो तो you can't be my enemy as well. तो आप मेरे दुश्मन भी तो नहीं हो. What do you mean by that? You have 100 and 1,000 of friends and name some. He said that there are Tom, Dick and Harry. What is in the name? भाई नाम में क्या रखा हुआ है? But I have 1,000 of friends, right? Because I want to talk. मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ and by here and being here I want to see the world, natural world around me, right? Whenever जब भी मैं इन मधुमक्खियों को भिनभिनाते हुए सुनता, दूसरों को वो भिनभिनाना लग सकता है, बट मुझे लगता है कि ये गुनगुना रही है. And there are the gardens, there are the weeds, right? There are the apples, there are the jellies which I usually made out of that honey, right? छोटे बच्चे आते हैं and I used to give all these things to them. But I'm not a kind of person who stay away from the people. This is you. But what kind of word that would be that you are telling me about that the person ki ek baar I was at the bus stand and the people staring me and they were laughing at me. And one day I was under the stair and my parents were talking about what will happen with him, उसके साथ क्या होगा हमारे जाने के बाद, right? And not only that, but also he said that कि एक बार मैं वहां था तो ऐसा कर रहे थे, वो मुझे ऐसे घूर रहे थे, वो ऐसा बोल रहे थे. Actually all depend on us. That is just the attitude we thought of at that time. And लोग तो हो सकता है कुछ और भी बात कर रहे हो. That's you, जिसे हर चीज में बुराई नजर आती है. The world is not bad at all. The world is that you made, right? तो जैसा आप सोचोगे आपको वैसा ही नजर आएगा. अच्छा है तो अच्छा ही नजर आएगा. आप बुरा सोचोगे तो बुरा ही नजर आएगा. Okay, influenced by Lamb's lifestyle, he was so much impressed with the lifestyle of Lamb. He was although a lonely person, वो भी एक अकेला था, उसका एक घर था, big house, but his lifestyle was very much different, and with this lifestyle and with his lifestyle he was so much impressed. Okay, now tell his mother that he wanted to stay with Lamb. Here, very interesting thing was that he wanted to stay with his friend now. He said to his mother, वो अपनी मम्मी को कहता है कि I want to stay with the lamb. Why you want to stay with the lamb? Because the lamb has, give that things to him which made his life different. And because of lamb's attitude and lamb's inspiring word, he want to change his mind about the world, right? वो मम्मी को बोलता है कि no, I don't want to stay here now, I want to stay with the lamb, because he's a person of different character and he's the person who gave me directions that how I can live. I don't want to keep myself in the four walls. I want to go out of the world. I want to stay with the word. Okay, now come back to Mr. Lamb. बाद में मिस्टर लैम के पास वो वापस आता है. As soon as he come, although he was very happy to come there because he want to stay with the lamb here now, found him lying in the garden and ground actually. When he returned, he saw that Mr. Lamb was there on the ground. Why? After the departure of Daddy, he was plucking some apples from the tree with the help of spear and the stick. But at that time, suddenly he was fell down on the ground and वो मर जाता है. Seeing the lamb in this situation, Daddy was so much upset because Lamb was a person who has inspired him to live life in a different way. Right? Now, come to the second part here, and now we will talk about Mr. Lamb, that who is Lamb and how he lived his life. See, let's talk about Mr. Lamb. Who is Mr. Lamb? Yeah, Mr. Lamb is an old man, right? He's an old man, and that old man is the owner of a big house, and that was the house which has no curtain, right? Which इसमें किसी तरह के कोई curtain नहीं थे. It appears empty at all from the outside, but inside it was full with many things. But Mr. Lamb was the kind of person who don't want things to keep shutting in and shutting out में उसको पसंद नहीं था. अगर darkness है, he loved to see things, उसको ऐसे ही देखना पसंद करता था. And when there is a broad daylight, and he want to see the brightness of the day, right? उसको कर्टन को बस वापस बंद करना या खोलना, he don't want to do all these things. And whenever there is a rain, and he want to take the joy of rain over the roof के ऊपर आके उसका मजा लेना पसंद करता. So he was a bit different, and he has a positive attitude toward the life and toward the people, toward this world. He was not a kind of person like that of Daddy. कि Daddy की तरह नहीं था, who has a negative attitude toward the life and toward the people. Right here, next had lost his one leg in war. Right, he has not only a house, but also he has the big garden in which he had a long conversation with Daddy about different things. Right, and this was a place where Daddy get inspired with the lamb, and because of this inspiration, he changed his attitude toward the life and the people. Now, the lost his leg, and he has physical deformity. What was that? Yeah, he had no leg. That was the physical deformity, and the children, छोटे जो बच्चे थे, call him Lammy Lamb. Still, he didn't have negative attitude about the people and about the children. Still, he catered them jelly, जो toffee जो बनाता था वो चीजें उनको देता था. Emotional similarity with the Daddy. This is very important thing here. What kind of similarity is there, right? The lamb has no leg at all. It has lost in the war. इसने war में उसको खो दिया था. It has blown off in the war because of explosion. And now here the daddy's one side of his face has burnt because of that acid. That was just the similarity between the two persons. Otherwise, they दोनों के बीच में there is a great difference in their attitude, right? The daddy has a negative attitude toward the life and the people, and the other side, the lamb, is very much optimistic and very positive toward everything. And next, right, Daddy to stay with him, right? Invited Daddy. Lamb invited him to stay with him. उसके साथ रहने के लिए उसको बोलता है कि आप आइए, you come and stay with me. I am the only person here in this garden, and this garden can be yours. ये तुम्हारा हो सकता है, right? And इस garden में रहते हुए you can learn many things, right? Keeping yourself in the four walls, right? That's not your wall. Come out of the place, right? Learn something new, because everything gives you something new. हर चीज, एक छोटी चीज कुछ आपको नया देती है लाइफ में, and you should be very much optimistic, right? Optimistic होने चाहिए, positive होने चाहिए, and because of this inspirations how you can learn all these things, right? Watching, listening, thinking, तो सोचोगे तो कुछ पाओगे, देखोगे तो कुछ मिलेगा, right? And all things like, okay, great lover of natural beauty. The lamb was very much fond of the natural beauty because he had a garden, and in that garden there are many things, right? वहाँ apples भी होंगे, orange भी होंगे, या weed भी होगा, there are different kind of things, and because of this he was so much fond of the natural beauty. And the next, right, accidentally fell or on on ground while plucking apples. While he was plucking the apple, and that time he fell down on the ground and he lost his life. And in the meantime, Daddy returned from his house because he also want to stay with the lamb. But it was a great tragedy at that time. He lost this man, and whose inspiration, right? जिसकी inspiration की वजह से he has taken that great step to stay with him, right? Now, bond of common feeling and friendship. Common feeling and friendship. Yes, dear student, that was the lesson number 5, where you got to know something that the physical deformity is not the obstacle, not the obstructions to make difference and to do some great work in the life. So you should go ahead, because physical deformity is useless. This is not the hurdle. This is not the obstacle in your life and in your way. Just go ahead. Thank you. Very soon I'll be there with new video with the same lesson with questions.